Ah, the good old messy desk. What can you do about it? Well, I just happen to know a solution. This sort of design has been around for a while. I decided to make my own version of it. It is very simple, even primitive. One vertical flap for dividing the books and keeping them upright, and one flat at the bottom for the books to stand on. It works like a tensegrity structure. The book's own weight is doing all the job. I decided to decorate the dividers with the quotes from my favorite books. A special shout out to those who can figure out which books they're from. Write it in the comments below. It is as simple as embossing the quote onto the extruded body. I decided to add some graphic to the design. I have generated an ink bottle with a feather using AI, imported it into my design, and embossed it above the text. Now it looks a lot more interesting. Preparing the model for printing. The reason I place my model on a side like that is to retain the strength, which is required to support the weight of the books and folders. I have also designed the dividers in such a way that I use no or minimum supports while printing. So far, so good. I decided to make another piece with a couple of more quotes from other authors. This will function as a center divider. You will see how it works a bit later. Now that all the pieces have landed, let me demonstrate the general principle of how it all is going to work. The width is adjustable. In my case, I have a lot of things to organize, so this middle piece will be handy. It is time to test it. The beauty of the design is that it's very flexible. You can add and remove books, folders, notepads, as many as you like. And it does not matter if your books or textbooks have soft or hard covers. The extra middle piece allows me to make everything even more stable and organize books by size or whichever way you like to split them. I can maneuver my books and folders on the desk easily. Whether I want to relocate things for a different look or to clean the desk, simply squish the books together and slide them around. I have made another version which is even slicker and smaller to hold my magazines. Those things are notorious for being too flexible and flappy to stand up, and they take too much space. Works perfectly. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like, check out my other projects and click subscribe for a weekly dose of creativity.